Hey guys, I'm Jordan from Mickey Mom Blog, and today we're going to be doing things a little bit different. So today is day 6 of being in quarantine from the coronavirus. We pretty much aren't going anywhere right now. I'm not working right now. My husband's working from home, so we just kind of feel like a little bit stuck. And like a lot of people, we've had to cancel our next Disney trip. So we kind of want to get in the Disney spirit and pretend we're in Disney today. So we're going to start off our day by making Mickey waffles. So we are now headed to the Magic Kingdom and we will be getting on the monorail. We're gonna take our Cinderella's Castle selfie. Says cheese. First fast pass of the day is for Splash Mountain. Here we go. I hope we don't get wet. You can see all of Magic Kingdom from up here. Oh, going up the big hill. Are you nervous? Hold my hand. Should we put our hands up? No? Here we go. Oh, look at that little fox. Okay, here we go. Ready? Did you get wet?
Yeah, we really should have kept it here.
Mermaid, huh? Are we on Mermaid?
Yeah.
Do you see Ariel?
Yeah.
You guys want to stay at Magic Kingdom or do you want to leave and go to Epcot now?
Epcot.
Let's go to Epcot? Okay, sounds good. We have to go back on the monorail then. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hi, Pluto. We love you, Pluto. You want to get your picture taken, Pluto? Okay. Hi, Woody. Hi, Jess. Or Bo Peep. Look at the sheep. Ah. Ooh, that looks like fun. Hi, flowers. How pretty. Did you get a Pluto souvenir? Oh, look how pretty the flowers are. They smell good, don't they? Yeah, they smell good? They smell good? And say bye, Daddy. We're going on Frozen. Let's go. So tired of waiting in line, aren't you? Oh, how are you doing, Emmy? You're back here? Oh, are you excited to go on the ride?
Oh, my sister's magic ride. Hi, friends.
Hi. It's Elsa! Whoa! We're going backwards. That was fun. Did you get wet? A little splash? So we are going to have one more drink in Epcot, and then we are going to head over to Hollywood Studios. And we're going to meet some characters, right? Hollywood Studios! Yay! What do you want to do first?
What do you want to do at Hollywood Studios, Emmy?
You want to go on Slinky Dog? Let's go on Slinky Dog, okay? Come on. And then we'll meet Jesse and Woody, okay? And Buzz? Yeah? Okay, we on Slinky Dog now. Are you ready? You ready to go on Slinky Dog? All right, let's go. Emmy, let's buckle up. Here we go. Woo, put your hands up. We just lost our ears on that last ride because it was so crazy, right, Emmy? All right, we're going to meet Woody and Jesse now. I think we found them. We're gonna go see Voyage of the Little Mermaid. Do you like the show? Okay, let's go to Animal Kingdom. So we made it to Animal Kingdom and we ran into a fun character meet and greet, Safari Mini. And we got our own Safari Mickey ears. We love them. And we are about to go on Kilimanjaro Safari. Okay, we are on Kilimanjaro. Hoping to see a lot of animals, right guys? Look, there's a giraffe! Wow, look at that giraffe. And then Emmy, look, there's an elephant. We found a baby elephant. It's so cute.
Oh, an elephant.
I hope we get to see some lions.
Oh, you see the lions over there?
So
right
cute.
there.
I love those lions.
Hi, lions.
Oh, look, he's roaring. Oh, scary. So we had a long day today. We visited all 4 parks, and now we are ready to watch some fireworks and go home. So we had so much fun on our Disney day today, right?
Yeah.
Say bye, Disney. We can't wait to really be back and hope that everybody stays safe and healthy and all this, and that you know, just as soon as everything gets cleared up, they can open Disney back up and we can all be back in our happy place, right? All right, guys. If you don't already subscribe, please subscribe below and follow us at Mickey Mom Blog.
Bye.
Bye.